Hi everybody, just wanted to do a quick little video. Wouldn't you know it, Carol and I went away for a couple of days, and of course my medication came while we were away. So it's actually been sitting out on my porch for 2 days, because who would have ever thought that Mochi would deliver 3 days after I ordered it? But I guess that means that some of their problems are pretty much over with and they're having pretty quick turnaround time. But 3 days is pretty phenomenal. Wasn't expecting it. I got the email notification while we were away, and I'm like, oh crap, it's going to be sitting out there. It's, I don't know, 92, 93 degrees. Fortunately, the porch is covered, so hopefully that helps. But it is South Florida and it is pretty hot, so your guess is going to be as good as mine whether this is still cold or not. The medication that I got from Orderly, which literally came from 3 miles away, came warm. Uh, I will say the bud date, which I forgot to mention in that video, was 6 months. And it kind of looked, I've had this problem when I've ordered stuff from Florida to Florida, kind of like they took one of those seal bags and threw their own ice in it. Didn't even, have the air sucked out of it or anything. Kind of like it was a homemade type of thing, because I even have one of those sealers, so I could do that. But we're going to see. So this is from Empower, which we've gotten from before. Nothing new there, but again, what are you going to do? Sometimes it does come and you're not around, and unfortunately I wasn't around for a couple of days, so it is packed in their little styro thing. That's what all this noise is. Actually, let's see. Not sure what that is. We'll get to what this is in a second. And the cold packs are actually still cold, but you see they use chemical ones where the other ones didn't. So considering these are still cold and frozen, my medication is good. And the bud date is 3 months from now. So not the greatest of bud dates, but not the worst. It has all the directions on here. It doesn't show the units. Came with the 3 ice packs. Let's see what this is. Sorry, looking for some scissors. And of course, it's not an easy open thing. So it looks like this is the syringes and the alcohol. Again, it does not give the exact amounts. Oh, here it is on here. Inject 88 units once a week. And that is for 15 milligrams. I only use half of that, so 44, 45-ish units would be my dose. Just simple math, and that way I get you 8 weeks out of one of these vials. So it came with the syringes, still cold, out in the sun, more than 48 hours. Well, actually not literally out in the sun, but it was 92, 94. And there you have it. So not too bad. So if you found this at all helpful or useful, hit that like and subscribe button and that little notification bell so you don't miss out on any of this.